Good day, ma'am. I am going to discuss a concept map about data mining. So, before I proceed, may I define first what is data mining? Data mining is a process used by companies to turn raw data into useful information, and it is exploration and analysis of extracted information from a large set of data in order to discover meaningful patterns. So, as example to this, it's about the past and predicting the future by means of data analysis. There are also 5 examples of data mining. The first one is identifying the customer's requirements. From data mining, it helps to identify the best products for a different customer. They can identify needs in a numbers of ways. From example is by listening to the customers. Next one is the resources planning. Resources planning means is a process that will help to find resources needed in order to achieve the optimum use of an organization's time and people. Next one is the financial planning and asset evaluation. The cash flow analysis may involve to this to evaluate assets. And the last one is the competition. Competition, this involves monitoring competition and market direction. And if there is an example of data mining, there are also types of data algorithm, which are the first one is supervised learning. It may define as the answer key of algorithm that used to evaluate the accuracy on training data. The supervised learning has types, which are the classification and regression. First, I want to discuss what is the classification. Classification predicts a class for an input variable, and regression predict value is for numerical values. Example of regression is predicting prices a house given the features of house like size and grace and price. The other types of data mining of algorithm is called unsupervised learning. As I define this, it is defined unlethal data that the algorithm tries to make sense in extracting features and patterns on its own. Example is finding customer segments. There are also types of unsupervised learning. First is the clustering. Clustering means is the process of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same groups similar to each other. The next one is the sequential pattern analysis. This concern of data mining with finding statistically patterns. Next is the text mining. Text mining, which is the process of deriving high quality information from texts like journals, articles, patterns, topic that attributes from the data. Lastly is the Association analysis. Association analysis, which is data mining used to identify strong roles that associates elements together, using different measures of interesting mix. So, that's all for today, ma'am. God bless you.